Hey guys, let's check out Smita Dhruv, an adorable, passionate, and determined author. Here is the interview glimpse we have taken with her for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. First of all, we have asked her that kindly tell us a bit about yourself as an author. For this, she has answered that there are some parents who ignite their imagination for their children to eventually pick up a pen and start writing in the dusk years of their life. I am one such author who could have imagined that the stories I used to tell my daughters took form of books one after the other from 2008 onwards, winning many awards in the process. Next, we have asked her that kindly tell about your books in a nutshell. For this, she has answered that my published books are named as first, Roller Coaster School 2010, second, भारतनी आज़ादीनम अनामी शहीदों 2016, थर्ड, भारत की आज़ादी की लड़ाई के अमर शहीद 2020, फोर्थ, डेस्टिनेशन काकोरी 9th August 1925 2020. My book Roller Coaster School in 2010 has received Gujarat Sahitya Academy Award. My another book is titled as Unsung Heroes of the Indian Freedom Struggle, which is published in Gujarati in 2016 and in Hindi in August 2020. Next, we have asked her that kindly tell about your book entitled Destination Kakori 9th August 1925 in a short note. For this, she has answered that a large number of young freedom fighters tried to give a fight against the British government without any support from the leaders. During those times, a team of 10 young revolutionaries looted a treasury of the Indian Railways at Kakori near Lucknow. Destination Kakori, 9th August 1925, is a fictional story which is an attempt to revive a few shining moments of the brave hearts who remain unknown to the world till today. Janani Janmabhumishya Swargadapi Gariyasi. Whenever Smita saw pictures of the Indians fighting against the British forces, she wondered who are all the hundreds and thousands of people other than faces of the known leaders to be blown from a gun or sent to the gallows or tortured at the cellular jails. There has to be a mention of them, hidden somewhere in the archives of the blood-soaked fight. Thus, the second journey began. Smita dived into the unknown stories of the unsung heroes when she embarked upon an incident, a brave heads-on conspiracy by the Krantiveers against the British, which has gone unnoticed in the India's history by the political leaders and Indian masses. It was the Kakori conspiracy that took place on the 9th August 1925 by a few unsung heroes shaking pillars of the British Empire in India for the first time after the non-cooperation movement. India's non-cooperation movement against the British government was started in 1920 with the promise to achieve freedom within a year. However, when it was withdrawn abruptly in 1922, a large number of young freedom fighters were disillusioned. This deceit saw birth of a large number of revolutionaries who tried to give a fight by armed revolution against the ruling British government. During those times, a team of 10 young boys, revolutionaries, looted a treasury of the Indian Railways at Kakori near Lucknow. Destination Kakori, 9th August 1925, is a fictional story of this conspiracy. It is an attempt to revive a few shining moments of the gallantry by brave hearts who till today remain unknown to the world. A portrayal of mental agony, dilemma, and survival issues of the freedom fighters and their families who were eventually crushed by the King Emperor's men. Here is the glimpse of Smita Dhruv's short biodata. A children's story, Roller Coaster School, was started as a serial in Divya Bhaskar and later published as a book in 2010 by Gurjar Prakashan. Smita continues to write poems and short stories in Gujarati and English, often on Story Mirror website, and was nominated for the Author of the Year 2019 and 2020 awards by them. Smita Dhruv is a former IB school teacher and MSc from Mumbai University. So guys, we hope you have liked this awesome interview coverage, and in the end, we wish that you find all the contact links of this amazing personality in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.